My name is Roger and welcome to my YouTube channel. James is going to join me shortly. James, come here. Right about.
Oh, the cogs are turning.
Cogs are turning. James is trying to figure out how the heck to do it.
This is.
And slowly adjust James's coilovers.
No, don't do that.
Don't
do that.
So it's softer. The two are, they're on the hardest setting.
Yeah, I know. Noticed.
Yeah, I know, I turned them all the way up last time.
Yeah, every time we lift the bonnet, you turn them up, and then every time we lift the bonnet again, you turn them
I
down.
don't turn them up, I turn one up.
Well, so every other time then?
Yeah, it's just doing this.
Every other time,
yeah,
they match?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh my God. What the hell?
Morning SnapOff. This is my, obviously, S13 200SX. It's my 2-year anniversary of ownership.
It's just going to be the ups and the downs, everything he's been through, all the money that he spent on it, the modifications he's done, the modifications he's going to do, and everything in between. So we're going to go and grab some breakfast and then we'll get on to it.
Yeah.
See you there.
Big ducktail for the grip. And we've got a heated rear windscreen, which I never use because it sets off my belt squeak. So it's great to tell people I have it. Oh. 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 What are you laughing at?
My Lord and Saviour, save me, Rog! Jesus. That radiator's going to get some abuse, isn't it?
Oh well, it's an intercooler.
So, we've unscrewed it, but we just can't get it out. Look at him hiding in there. Hello. I wasn't talking about you, but whoa! Who is this?
The Roger in disguise.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Rog. Grab it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
This sums up British roads pretty much in one go. sums up Britain.
Hear the engine just roar ready. That's second gear. Get out, we're taking my turbo off. Mikey's on it right now.
What was that?
Like and subscribe.
It's non-copyright music.